Welcome to the Rochester Sensors 811 Cellular Ultrasonic Installation Guide. The 811 Cellular Ultrasonic is a battery-operated liquid-level sensor and remote tank monitor. The liquid-level sensor has an integrated cellular modem supporting GSM 2G, LTE, Cat-M1, and NB-IoT networks. The TEK811 Cellular Ultrasonic kit supplied includes activation magnet, mounting adapter, mounting gasket, self-tapper screws, and rubber seal. The sensor will fit directly into threaded 1¼ inch, 1.5 or 2-inch BSP existing tank connections. The sensor must sit in a vertical position on top of the tank and be fitted such that the sensor has a clear path to the tank contents. Position it so there are no internal obstructions that may interfere with the ultrasonic signal. Locate a suitably positioned threaded opening on the top of the tank to hold the sensor. Ensure that the gasket is placed and that the sensor is screwed correctly into the tank. Screw the sensor into the adapter. Ensure that the sensor is vertical on the tank and screwed correctly into the base and that the threads have not crossed to give a secure seal. To activate the sensor, hold the supplied magnet to the hotspot, which can be found directly below the LED. As the magnet is held to the hotspot, the LED will first flash green, then flash red. After this, the red LED will light continuously. Remove magnet from hotspot once this has been achieved. A series of beeps will be heard while this red LED remains illuminated. This indicates the IoT modem is successfully registering onto the cellular network. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact sales@rochestersensors.com.